Chris here. I hope you guys are having a good Thursday and getting ready for the end of the week. Approaching us here pretty quick, and a weekend will be here, and time to relax again. Um, Beautiful day here in Colorado. Not quite as warm as it has been. Got a little bit of clouds today, so hopefully it'll be a little cooler. It's been hotter than hell here. So, yeah. All right, so for today, I am going to be entering into Georgia Jim's Pick for Jim. He is doing a giveaway, and he's got a whole bunch of good stuff to give away, man. Really cool, very cool. Go check it out. So yeah, it's Georgia Jim. He's got 93 subs. I'm not sure how many videos he has exactly, but he has quite a few, and all really great stuff, man. So, like I said, 93 subs. Get over there, show him some love. Hit that like and subscribe button. Get him up to 100. He's really super close, and he deserves every bit of 100. So, yeah, go over and show your support for Georgia Jim. And also, this is Quick Pick Thursday. So I figured I'd get both of those in there and go from there. So the lock I'm doing today is a national. I just happened to see this on eBay, and it wasn't very expensive, but I like the looks of it, and I was not disappointed when I got it. Nice, heavy hardened shackle. Probably about 3/8 diameter. Nice heavy body. It's got a really good weight to it. So it is a 5-pinner. Not real great bitting on that key there. Hopefully you guys can see that. See if this will do anything. So yeah, not super great bitting, but yeah, it's bidding, I guess. Anyway, so yes, this is it works beautifully, smooth as butter, man. Nothing sticky or anything about this whole thing. Has been beat on it, looks like a couple times right there, but otherwise a great lock. Like I said, nice heavy duty shackle. You could shim it, I'm sure you could. You could fit a Mack truck in that gap right there by the shackle, and it's not ball bearing. So, but like I've said before, I don't like doing the shimming stuff, so we're going to pick it, and hopefully it will be a quick pick for Quick Pick Thursday. So we'll see how camera shy it gets and go from there. All right, start back here. Oh, I'm using my Medusa pick from Sparrows, and 50 thousandths tension bar there. So a little click on 5, 4, 3, come on baby, 2, and it opened up. So not even sure if I hit pin 1 there or not, but yeah, so pretty easy. It's kind of disappointing, such a nice lock and heavy duty lock, but yet the bitting on it stinks, and you can pretty much fly right through it. So yeah, there you have it, guys. The national lock picked for Quick Pick Thursday, and more importantly, Pick for Jim, Georgia Jim's giveaway that he's doing right now. So as always, remember, keep it legal, and stay safe, stay healthy, and we will catch you guys on the next go round. Thank you for watching.